我哋兩個海中學游水，突然有條白鯊後面追，嚇到我哋心膽碎。我哋兩個喺海中學游水，突然有條白鯊後面追，嚇到我哋心膽碎啊！
We were learning to swim on the beach when suddenly a great white shark appeared, and it started chasing us, scaring us half to death. We were learning to swim on the beach when suddenly a great white shark appeared.
It started chasing us! We were so scared! Run!
You asked what a chef looks like? A chef wears a tall white hat and holds a rice cooker. Don't laugh at me for being old-fashioned. What does a chef look like? Someone holding a rice cooker and wearing a hat. Don't laugh at me for being old-fashioned.
有人問我廚師點嘅樣，就係手抱飯煲頭戴帽，唔好笑我咁老土。
Being a chef is easy. Ingredients in the wok, high heat, stir fry, serve, and enjoy.
做個廚師話咁易，材料落鑊，上碟享用。做個廚師話咁易，材料落鑊，猛火拋煮，上碟享用。
Being a chef is easy. Ingredients in the wok, high heat, stir fry. Serve and enjoy. Hey buddy, got a treat for you. That's it, good boy. You're the best friend ever. Hey buddy, I brought you a fish. There you go, enjoy. Hey there buddy, you're my best friend. I love you.
Here you go. Ah! Here you go, buddy. Oh, help! 哎呀，仆街！見到呢隻花鹿咧，我想騎喺佢背上慢跑啊！佢驚慌咁走開咗。
I saw this deer, I wanted to ride on her back and jog slowly. But she ran away.
見到呢隻花鹿咧，我想騎喺佢背上慢跑啊！見到呢隻花鹿咧，我想騎喺佢背上慢跑。啊！佢驚慌咁走開咗。今日釣大蟹啦，好啊，試下啦。點解冇蟹啊？你唔識釣，你先唔識啦，亂咁搞啊！又冇蟹，同你一齊真係冇用。你先至係衰鬼，魚仔都係你綁嘅，都係你唔識釣啦，搞到一隻蟹都冇。明明係你嬲住支竿唔識喐啊！都係你唔好錯位，明明係你嘅魚嘢唔好，邊有咁樣釣蟹嘅？我哋帶手頭威拳套嘅拳賽，攻防對打。好啊，朋友，嚟啦，接招！
We're practicing boxing today, sparring. Come on, my friend.
All right, let's go. Ready? Block, counter, good one. 我哋今日操練拳賽，攻防對打，嚟啦，朋友，放馬過嚟，啱啦，繼續。我哋今日操練拳賽，攻防對打，好啊，朋友，嚟啦，好，keep, go.
Can you see that? I'm practicing Wing Chun martial art on a wooden dummy. Aren't you impressed? Can you see that? I'm practicing Wing Chun martial art on a wooden dummy. Aren't you impressed?
Morning has broken, blackbird is postponing. Praise for the saint. Morning is broken like the first morning. Blackbird is spoken like the first bird.
你哋睇到我見到用木人樽練耍唔耍家呢？而家我示範俾你知道幾個羽毛低手發球，然後係一個高手發球。而家我示範俾你知道幾個羽毛球發球嘅9筆線。首先，我開跑。就係咁簡單啦！而家我示範俾你知道幾個羽毛球發球嘅基本動作。
When you face your opponent's serve, you need to react quickly and deliver a powerful counterattack.
準備，預備。當你準備對手嘅發球攻擊，就要反應敏鋭，做到有力反擊。我哋老友似兄弟，食飯走數唔會計，我倆對住行個禮。The steak is great and full stomach. We pay each other, you don't say no and be angry. But why me? As I know money. Today these steak paid each other, you don't say no and be angry. As I know money. Alright, I'll pay. Today you pay for the steak. Don't say no. But I have no money. No excuses. You pay. Fine.
Thanks for lunch, man. You always pay. Of course, I enjoy it. You're the best. These steaks on the table are great and delicious.
Yeah, they are.
But you pay, I have no money today. Don't say no and get angry.
What? No way！
我哋女一齊食趴餐，次次找數我埋單。
笑死我！
你又笑到反晒肚啦！今次我請你食啦，次次都係你請，梗係啦，你咪又笑到反晒肚，真係食極都唔厭。Steaks on me, as usual.
You're too good to me.
It's nothing. Dig in.
Oh man, my belly. I'm lucky today I was able to meet the Buddha, and Buddha wave hand to welcome me. 我搭纜車上到昂坪，行上8級石階參見佛陀，驚喜見到佛陀揮手向我歡迎。我行上嚟參拜佛陀，哇！佛陀向我揮手歡迎我啊！
Today I arrived at Nongping. I'm climbing these stone steps to see the Buddha.
Wow, the Buddha is waving to welcome me.
Today I arrived in Nongping, climbed stone steps to see Buddha, and surprised Buddha waving to welcome me.
I love dress up. Anytime I comb my hair out, and I'll look gorgeous. I love dress up. Anytime I comb my hair out, and I'll look gorgeous. 我一向自戀，拋走自卑，攞把梳出嚟，梳梳發尾，扮晒老飛。新年接財神，咁就有健康，有富貴。
You're doing great work. Keep it up. Thanks, I will. Pay close attention to the details. You're doing great with this work. Keep at it, and you'll see the rewards.
Thanks, I needed that. Anytime. 朋友，繼續做好你嘅工作，我會時刻睇住你。
I am hungry, but no one give me foods. I feel so sad.
我好肚餓，冇人喎。I'm so hungry. I need to grab some oatmeal to eat.
I am so hungry. No one cares about me. I feel sad and cry.
我好凍喎，我喺你好發聲，有聲啊！
你哋老鼠偷食，快啲走，唔係貓爪會出手。This morning some little birds dancing in front of me. I have to catch them for dinner.
我幾日冇嘢食啦，唔該俾我好多魚啦。周围老鼠偷食東西，我不在乎，太累了。
Mice steal foods around me. Feel free, as I am tired.
老鼠喺度周圍偷嘢食，隨便啦，我好想瞓覺啊！
你老鼠周圍走，搶食嘢我自咬。I have no capable stopping them.
香港過年最開心，人人俾我利是金。香港過年最開心，人人俾我利是金。
人冇俾你利是金啊！攞個利是會幾煩少？
面前咁多好味鮮魚，我要狂食一餐啊！
Dishes of fried fish before me, I feel hungry, enjoy it.
我係貓欄仔，身形窈窕樣好睇，長得海味我老細，有食有住真斬鬼。
我而家好肚餓啊，快啲俾嘢我食啦！好啦好啦，食啦！
我而家好肚餓，快啲俾支鮮奶保住飲。
港珠上旅行，
大家記得訂閱同埋支持我啊！大家記得訂閱同埋支持我啊！